One of my lead tech called me up and said, Mike, we absolutely have to have this app. It's going to make our guys in the field more efficient. It's going to make my job more efficient. Go out and take a look at it. I did. Man, it's fantastic. Our guys are not having to wait on that phone for hours to figure out how to repair systems. It's an amazing app, and it has really helped our guys in the field. So I want to thank Bluon. What a great job you guys are doing, and what a great app for our techs and for our business. Thank you.